Hello everyone. Today, Hatan will introduce the dish, crab meat salad mixed with avocado, a refreshing, nutritious dish that is extremely suitable for days when you want to eat lightly but still ensure adequate nutrition. How to make. Prepare ingredients: 200 grams of fresh crab meat, steamed and meat removed crab, 1 ripe avocado, 100 grams of lettuce, 50 grams of cherry tomatoes, 1/4 red onion, 1/2 lemon juice, 1 teaspoon of yellow mustard or Dijon mustard, a small pinch of cilantro, optional, salt, ground black pepper, olive oil. Steps: wash the lettuce, drain completely. Wash the cherry tomatoes, cut in half. Peel the red onion, slice thinly or dice into small cubes. Wash the avocado, cut in half, remove the seeds, and use a spoon to scoop out the avocado meat. Cut the avocado into bite-sized squares. Drizzle some lemon juice over the avocado to prevent it from turning brown. In a small bowl, add the remaining lemon juice, olive oil, yellow mustard, a pinch of salt and black pepper. Use a whisk or spoon to stir until the dressing is well combined and slightly thickened. Place the lettuce, cherry tomatoes and onions in a large bowl. Pour about 2/3 of the mixed dressing into the bowl and mix gently and evenly so that the vegetables absorb the dressing. Add the crab meat and sliced avocado to the salad bowl. Drizzle the remaining dressing on top. Add the chopped cilantro or dill, if using. Mix gently again so that the crab meat, avocado and vegetables blend together without crushing the crab meat and avocado. Serve and enjoy. Ladle the salad onto individual plates or bowls. Garnish with a few slices of lemon or fresh cilantro leaves. This dish should be enjoyed immediately after mixing to experience the fresh crunch of the vegetables and the delicious taste of the crab meat and avocado. Can be served with crostini or salty crackers. Things to note: crab meat, use fresh steamed/boiled crab meat. If using canned crab, rinse and drain thoroughly. It is best to use fresh crab that has just been removed to ensure natural sweetness. Avocado, choose ripe avocado, not too soft or too hard. Avocado must be sliced and mixed immediately before eating to avoid browning. Green vegetables, make sure the green vegetables are completely drained. If the vegetables are still wet, the dressing will be diluted and the salad will not be delicious. Salad dressing, only mix the crab meat and avocado into the salad at the last step and mix gently. Do not mix for too long to avoid crushing the avocado and crab meat. Sauce, you can adjust the amount of lemon, olive oil, salt, and pepper to suit your personal taste. Try adding a little honey or sugar if you like a slightly sweet sauce. Crab meat and avocado salad is a refreshing, nutritious dish that is extremely suitable for days when you want to eat lightly but still ensure adequate nutrition. The combination of the fresh sweetness of crab meat, the richness of avocado, and the light sourness and aroma of vegetables will create an extremely interesting culinary experience. This salad is not only beautiful but also very good for your health. Thank you for watching the video. Hope this recipe is useful, and don't forget to subscribe to watch the next delicious dishes. Goodbye and see you in the next video.